The business world is changing, fast. Every day new technologies emerge and the pace of innovation accelerates. To win, you need to adapt. You need to automate. Automation isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity in today's competitive landscape. Automated funnels and attraction marketing are not just trendy terms. They represent a shift in how businesses operate, making processes more efficient and effective. They are the keys to unlocking explosive growth and freeing yourself from the daily grind. Imagine focusing on strategic decisions while automation handles the repetitive tasks. Imagine a system that works tirelessly 24/7. It doesn't need breaks, vacations, or sleep. It brings in leads while you sleep. Your business continues to grow, even when you're not actively working. It nurtures them, builds relationships, and converts them into loyal customers. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of modern business. This is the power of automation. Embrace it and elevate your business to new heights. Picture a funnel. At the top, you have potential customers. At the bottom, you have sales. An automated funnel guides those customers through each stage of the buying process. It provides valuable content, answers questions, and positions you as the expert. This automated system does the heavy lifting for you. It nurtures leads, builds trust, and converts prospects into buyers. The result? Increased sales, higher conversion rates, and a predictable, scalable business model. Time is your most valuable asset. Every second counts in the fast-paced world of business. Managing your time efficiently can be the difference between success and failure. Don't waste it on repetitive tasks that can be automated. Automation tools can handle mundane tasks, freeing you to focus on more important aspects of your business. Automated funnels and marketing free you from the daily grind. Imagine having a system that works tirelessly in the background, ensuring your marketing efforts are always on point. This means more time to focus on what matters: strategy, creativity, and growth. You can dedicate your energy to brainstorming innovative ideas and executing strategic plans. Imagine this: waking up to a flood of new leads, all generated while you slept. Your business continues to grow even when you're not actively working. That's the power of automation. It streamlines your processes, making your operations more efficient and effective. It's like having a team of tireless workers operating 24/7 to grow your business. These digital workers never rest, ensuring your business is always moving forward. Section 4. The Power of Pull Attraction Marketing Explained. In today's digital age, the way we approach marketing has evolved significantly. Traditional marketing is like shouting into a void. You spend a lot of effort trying to reach people who may not be interested in what you have to offer. Attraction marketing, on the other hand, is about drawing people in. It's a more subtle and effective approach. It's about creating valuable content that attracts your ideal customers. This content can take many forms, such as blog posts, videos, social media updates, and more. Content that educates, entertains, and solves their problems. When your content resonates with your audience, they are more likely to engage with your brand. When you provide value, you build trust. Trust is the foundation of any successful business relationship. You become the go-to expert in your niche. People look up to you for advice and guidance. People are naturally drawn to those who can help them. They seek out experts who can provide solutions to their problems. Attraction marketing leverages this principle to build a loyal following of engaged customers. By consistently providing value, you create a community of loyal supporters who advocate for your brand. Section 5. No more cold calls. Building a business authentically. Cold calling is dead. Pestering your friends and family is ineffective and damaging. Attraction marketing eliminates the need for these outdated tactics. Instead, you build relationships organically by providing value and fostering genuine connections. Imagine a world where your business attracts ideal customers, eager to work with you. No more chasing, no more rejection. Just authentic connections that lead to long-term success. Section 6. Embrace the future, transform your business. The future of business is here. It's automated, efficient, and customer-centric. Embrace the power of automated funnels and attraction marketing. Transform your business, reclaim your time, and achieve the success you deserve. The time to act is now.